If you're wondering what digital marketing is, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Joseph, and thank you for viewing my YouTube channel. If you like content on marketing and business, this is the channel for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. So let's jump directly into the content. You're asking yourself, what is digital marketing? How do I make it work in my business? First thing, go ahead and make sure you watch my previous video of what is marketing so that you'll better understand this one. And number two, it's a special surprise. I was able to speak with digital marketing and I recorded the conversation. So go ahead and listen in now. All right, so I'm calling digital marketing right now. People don't answer their phones. You always have to text people. So. Hello, this is digital marketing. Who this? Hey, I didn't think I was actually gonna get you on the phone. So I'll be quick. I know you're helping people make billions and billions, stacks on stacks. But anyways, I'm calling because I just started a new YouTube channel. And I'm trying to figure out, I want some really good content. Can you give me a quick definition of what digital marketing is? So essentially, digital marketing is just marketing on the internet. But you're digital marketing. So you're more complicated than a billboard, newspaper. So you're confusing and vague, right? I got you. Essentially, it's you take your market and that message, you put it online, and that's digital marketing. And just marketing online to your market with your message. That's it, brother. All right, so I guess you're just marketing on the internet. Yep, that's it. But I got to get back to helping people make billions on the internet, stacks on stacks, because I'm digital marketing. Okay, I'll admit I'm having a little fun, but digital marketing is marketing on the internet. It's nothing more, it's nothing less. If you saw my last video, you know what marketing is, and digital marketing is just doing it online. Now, what makes it so confusing and so difficult to understand is there's so many different ways to do it. You have SEO, you have social media, you have affiliate marketing, you have influencer marketing, you have mobile marketing, you have video marketing, you have paid advertising in so many different forms. And you know what? We might even consider QR codes. But there's so many different ways to do it, and that's what makes it difficult to understand. But at its base, it's just marketing online. Here's one quick example of why it's so difficult to understand digital marketing. Let's just look at paid advertising. There's Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, Pinterest ads, and so many other type of ads. There's OTT, over the top. There's display ads. There's in-game ads, there's YouTube video ads, there's Pinterest ads, there's Reddit ads. There's so many different ways to advertise. So when you take it in just one of the channels that you can market online, there's so many different ways you can do it. So people get confused. But at the end of the day, it's understanding who you're communicating to and the best way to communicate to them. So at the end, digital marketing is just marketing online. If you like this video, hit subscribe, then ring the bell for notifications so when the next video comes out, you'll be notified. And for the question of the day, I'd love for you to leave a comment below of why you are interested in digital marketing.